Last week I talked about the 5 reasons why you should not become a data scientist, but this week I thought it was only fair to talk about the 5 reasons why you should become a data scientist. I'm Samanvay, a data scientist based in Sydney, Australia. So the first reason why you should become a data scientist is if you love solving problems. Data science is one of the unique industries that allows you to solve a diverse range of problems across multiple industries. It could be finance, retail, healthcare, or technology. If you're someone that gets a kick out of finding solutions to problems, then this field is for you. This is one of the reasons why I switched from aerospace engineering to data science. I wanted the ability to learn skills that would be valuable in many industries. And effective problem solving is arguably one of the most important skills for a data scientist. Given the diverse industries, there's a plethora of problems out there to solve, so you'll never get bored. There's a lot of flexibility in which industries you work in. For example, in the past 5 years, I've worked in the retail, technology, and aerial imagery space. If you get sick of working in retail, then you have the option to be able to switch to another field like finance. And not many employees could say that. Now, the second reason why you should become a data scientist is if you love building things. As a data scientist, you'll often build data products to solve business problems. If you're someone that's always liked tinkering and building new things, then data science is for you. Because throughout your career, you'll build anything from data visualizations to data pipelines, AI models, and data stories. Building these types of products is a hugely rewarding experience, especially as you get to follow the process end to end. Data science products also tend to have a long horizon, so you'll get the opportunity to be involved in multiple steps of the process throughout the data science cycle. Again, there's no lack of variety. This will strike a chord with you if you're someone with an entrepreneurial spirit who always like to start new projects. If you're enjoying the video so far, then consider subscribing. I make weekly videos about demystifying data science. Now let's talk about the third reason to become a data scientist. It's if you love learning. Data science is a combination of computer science, statistics, machine learning, and business. And across these 4 fields, there's more than enough to learn. You'll always be working to keep up with the latest algorithms, coding practices, and business applications of data science. So if you're someone that loves learning and loves any of the 4 fields, then you'll enjoy data science. Data science is a field that is inherently suited to self-learners because that's how the field came to be. During the early days of data science, there was no such thing as a degree in data science. The field was a culmination of people who enjoyed cross-disciplinary learning. The fourth reason why you should be a data scientist is if you love autonomy. Data scientists by nature are highly driven individuals. Given the versatility of data scientists, they're expected to be proactive in driving projects, as well as suggesting new initiatives. This is something I covered last week in the video, but if you're a self-starter, then you will thrive in data science. Data scientists sit between tech teams and the business teams, so they're expected to be leaders in translating tech speak into business speak. With this responsibility comes the need to step up and drive forward your own task and communicate your findings. Now let's talk about the final reason to become a data scientist. The final reason to become a data scientist is if you're very curious. As I've discussed before, many data science problems can be very ambiguous, so solving them requires you to lead with your curiosity. You need a good dose of curiosity coupled with attention to detail to get to the bottom of data issues and discrepancies. You need to be able to see beyond the obvious and put yourself in the shoes of your users and stakeholders. Your curiosity will help you create hypotheses to drive the data science process, as well as get your creative juice flowing when it comes to problem solving. That's it for today. So if you enjoyed the video, then smash the like button and I'll see you next time.